Today we're going to make a curry, and it's a Penang Nyonya curry. And this curry is a bit different from the Malay curry or the Indian curry because it's Nyonya curry. And because it's Nyonya, it contains elements of the Chinese ingredients, Malay ingredients, and Indian ingredients. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you find my videos useful. So let's go and make Penang Nyonya fish curry. For the fish curry, of course you will need fish. This time I'm using mackerel, but you can use salmon, bream or whatever. So this is mackerel. It is about a total of 600 grams to 700 grams. We need 6 shallots, but I'm using banana shallots, so I'm using 2. So it's almost equivalent to 6 normal shallots, the round ones. 2 cm of ginger, 3 fat cloves garlic, 1 lemongrass. We only use the fat part, so we're going to blend this. For the vegetables, we need 6 okra or bendi or lady's fingers, 1 large onion, which is about 150 grams, 4 tofu puff, which is fried tofu, we call it Tau Hoo Pok, 1 large tomato, but I'm using 8 small baby tomatoes. If you are using large tomato, you got to cut it into wedges. 1 eggplant, but we're going to use only half an eggplant because it's quite big. A torched ginger. Now you can get this torched ginger fresh like I do, and I freeze it, and now I'm defrosting it. And you can also get it from a jar. If you get it from a jar, we will use it as part of the paste. But for this, we'll use it for garnishing as well. 3 tablespoons of fish curry powder. 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. This is the one with the seeds, and we add about 50 ml of water. 1 sprig of curry leaves, but I'm using dried ones, so about this amount. A sprig of fresh mint for garnishing. We need 200 ml of thick coconut milk. Some spices for popping. I have black mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon, cumin, 1/4 teaspoon, fennel, 1/4 teaspoon, and fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon. We need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any oil that you wish, some sugar and salt. Cut the lemongrass, garlic and ginger and the shallots into pieces. Put them in here and we're going to blend them. Just a bit of water so that it can blend. Okay, it's done, so we'll take it out. We mix the curry powder together so that you form a paste. I'm putting a pinch of salt in some water because I'm going to cut the eggplant. This will prevent it from getting brown. Cut the aubergines into batons and soak them in the salt water. Give the tamarind a good squeeze to extract the pulp. Set it aside. Cut the tofu puffs into 3 to 4 thin slices each. Now we heat up the coconut oil until it's hot. Now the oil is hot, I will pop this. I will add in the curry paste and then we fry it. Fry the paste until fragrant. I'm not using a lot of oil, so we cannot see the oil splitting, or we call it in Malay pecah minyak. Add the curry leaves and stir. If the paste sticks to the pan, add a few drops of water. Then we add in the 200 ml of water. Then we bring it to the boil. We add the tamarind. The tamarind, we just sieve it with the hand. Then we bring it to the boil. Then we add in the vegetables. The Tau Hoo Pok. We add in the coconut milk. It's a bit thick, but we can add some water later on. Oops, I almost forgot the aubergines. It should go together with the rest of the vegetables. Okay, the time is up, so we're going to give it a stir. It's very thick, never mind, we'll adjust it later. Then we'll add in the fish. We're going to add in some more water because it's a bit thick. We'll cook it for for about 2 minutes first. Fish it a bit. Then you add in the tomatoes. Season with some salt, some sugar, and then you taste it. If you feel the gravy is too thick, you might want to add some more water. It's all up to you how much water you want to put it. You want it to be very thick, or you want the gravy to be a bit runny. If the fish is a bit thick, you can turn it over, but be careful not to break it. Cook it for another 2 minutes. Then it is ready and you can plate up. So we're decorating it with some torched ginger and a sprig of mint. There you are, Nyonya fish curry. I've added a bit more water to the gravy, so it's a bit lighter now, not that thick. Here's the Penang Nyonya curry, the chopped bunga kantan, which is the torched ginger. Really, really nice. This is the Chinese part of it, the tofu. And the spices are the Indian and the Malay part. And the bunga kantan is actually very Malaysian. Yeah, it's available in Southeast Asia. So it's a fusion food of 3 different races. So here we go. I've got the fish. It's a mackerel, so it's got a very strong taste. Eat it with some rice. It's really good because it's sour, sweet, and salty at the same time. So go ahead and get your fish and cook this Penang style Nyonya curry. Don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. So until next time, I'm Oriental, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. Bye. Thank you.